Hey, what is going on YouTube? And today I'm going to install my ditch lights onto my Tundra. The ditch light brand I'm gonna use is Cali raised LED, and I'm using their side projecting light pods. And I didn't buy their low profile bracket, but because I don't want a low profile, I want something that's a little higher up, so I bought it from the other company. So let's put up the truck to the garage and install those light pods. Correction, sorry about that. Alright, we're in the garage right now. First of all, pop the hood open and let's go get the light pods. Alright, I unpacked the package already. I threw away all the unnecessary parts, and here's the light pods. This one goes on the driver's side and the other one goes on the passenger side. I also got this what's it called, the Toyota Style OEM Ditch Light Switch, and this is a wire for that switch. What I'm going to do, I didn't buy the actual harness because while I bought those bad boys right there, I used the OEM fog light switch. So I have the brand new switch for it, and we just need to figure out how this 3 wires goes with this one. And from the research I did my study, these 2 red lines goes to the red, and black lines goes to black, and blue goes to green right there. And first we will do that, and then we will install the brackets on there. Okay, here's the mounting brackets from CBI Off-Road, and let's take a look. We got their company logo on it, I guess. It looks not bad. I guess it sits a little higher up than the Cali raised LED brackets. And first we will connect the light pods to those brackets and wire the harness, and then lastly install them onto the truck. Alright, I pre-mounted the harness relay, positive negative there, and this thing is on right now. And let's see if the light pods turns on. Oh, that's really bright. Okay, everything works except this. My car is off and then it's locked, but this light is still on. I figured something might be wrong with wiring, which I will do a little bit more study and try to see if I can fix it. Alright, I successfully installed the render lines through the firewall, and correction, this is not their logo. My fault. This is a driver's side and passenger side indicator. I was dumb. And now I'm going to try to install the brackets and then the light pods. Alright, I've been messing around with this OEM switch a little bit. I figured out something on the YouTube I have watched, right? So the LED harness they've been using was the OEM one, but mine was from different company, which the color is different. It's blue, red, and green right there. And sorry about this mess. I was just trying to... I was stupid. I didn't test them before I connect them, so that's why there's connectors everywhere. But I will get them clean at the end. For right now, I'm just trying to figure out which line, which color is the right one to plug in. And so for right now, I figured out if you want to use rigid harness with that OEM, Cali LED OEM, the green one goes to the red one right there, and then black to black, that's the ground. And the red don't go red, they go blue. Right there. Right there, they go blue. And I tried to put those 2 together, so this thing lights on whenever I press it in. But what I want is probably whenever the dash come on and this thing comes on too. So I will probably go to the AutoZone to buy an added fuse, and that's an update for right now. Okay, as you can see right there, I tapped 2 red lines into the blue and the green line to the red. So it gave me the results of when I want to use it. It lights on. Damn, that's bright. I have to adjust the angle a little bit. But everything works great, and I'll just wait to get an add fuse and then add it to the dash fuse. Actually, I changed my mind. I feel like in the nighttime while I was driving, right? That blue line might be just a little annoying out of the red dash right there. I guess I will just leave it as it is for right now, which is come on and when you turn it on and go off when you turn it off, because that blue light actually little annoying imagining driving on the highway and then just seeing something really bright, something really bluish out of all red. Okay, so the light pods installation is fully complete right now, and today is it's like 4 days later after, because the night right after I started to install them, the second day the winter storm came and it hit us really hard. It hasn't snowed in San Antonio, in the city, for years, and now it snowed, and it snowed really bad, like the front picture you can see, and that made me couldn't take the video, this finishing part of it. So today I'm making this up. What I'm gonna do right now is to show you guys how I wired it, and let's check out some fitment for the CBI off-road lighting brackets, and then Cali raised LEDs light pods. And another thing is, I hope everyone is fine, everyone is safe right now, because we did not have electricity and some people didn't have water for like almost 2 days. So hope everyone's fine. Okay, so here's my engine bay with the hood up, and I took off the Toyota cap on the engine already because I was messing with other stuff, some vacuum hose in there. And here's the other thing I got for the battery, which holds up the optimal battery pretty well. It's like $13 on Amazon. And okay, so positive, negative connected to the battery, and here is a relay, and here's I have all the ground connected. And so this line wire, positive and green, no sorry, positive and negative, they go here, and I zip tie them a little bit, and then the fuse is right here. And so what I came out, this truck doesn't work like those newer Tacomas as all the videos I saw, and you can tell the zip ties I haven't clipped them yet. So there are some little nuts or rivets that hold this whole panel in place. So I found a little hole behind them, so I decided just to run a zip tie through those little nuts and then to reach down to the passenger side. And I have it connected right here, and then I just hide it down to run the wires up here and come on this side as well as the driver's side. So about the firewall, I don't know if I'll be able to tell. There's a black line right here. That black one is the one that I got it through right there. That goes into my panel. And this is a tool I used for penetrating that firewall. So it wasn't bent on this side, so it's a hanger, metal hanger. You just kind of get it straight, and you tie all the wires on one side, and you tie them up, and then you use this side to poke it through, and you just grab it from inside of your vehicle, and then pull it through. That's how I got to my firewall. And another thing, I was stupid. You can notice the bolts are different color, and this is a new one. I just ordered it right after the day because I was too dumb that I lost one while I was unscrewing them, and it got down to somewhere like deep inside of the panel. So I had to order a replacement, and I will also post that part number down in subscription if ever the same thing happened to you. So right here, the CBI off-road bracket sits really nice on the hood, and right here has little direct attachment or direct contact with the engine hood, but I don't see any problem with it. So it does have a direct connection with the hood, but as long as I think I tied it really good and it doesn't move, so it won't mess up everything. And same as this side, so looks great with that connection to the engine hood. And come on here, you can also see that it's attaching a little bit, tiny bit. It doesn't bother me too much. And another thing is, I noticed it's been snowing really hard, and this bolt start getting a little bit rust, and I'll spray some to prevent the further rusting. And the hole from the CBI off-road, it came in quite big, so the washer is being kind of pushed in by me. So in the future reference, I will probably replace it with a bigger bolt, the bigger screw set, and like little bigger washers. And it's so dirty. Okay, let's close the hood and see how it looks. Oh, doggy. Sorry, this truck is super dirty because I had to run in the winter storm. I helped a couple people, and also have to go pick up my girlfriend. And the third day, when we don't have the electricity, so we decided to go to the countryside to live at a friend's place for a night. And we finally got to take some warm shower, which is good. Lastly, let's walk inside. So my final decision was leave it like as if you turn it on, the light come on, and the result is really nice. That's it about this video, and if you do like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and consider about subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.